Hey WooCommerce warriors! Ever dreamed of setting up a sale that starts and ends automatically, down to the minute, without you lifting a finger? Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a WooCommerce sales schedule and even set an exact WooCommerce schedule sale time if you want those precision flash deals. No more late-night price changes or early morning panic edits. Sure, WooCommerce has a built-in sale price schedule, but it only lets you pick dates. No control over the exact time. Let's be real. Timing can make or break a sale. Scheduling your discounts is perfect for holiday campaigns like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Christmas, flash sales that run for just a few hours, seasonal clearances, where you want prices to drop on a certain day, midnight launches for new products or special events. With YayPricing, you get full WooCommerce sales schedule time control. So let's get started with YayPricing. The very first step on your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search for YayPricing. This plugin is available on the WordPress repository. Once activated, you'll see a new YayPricing menu in your dashboard. Now, head over to eCommerce YayPricing, and you will see the pricing rule dashboard here. Click on Add Rule. As you can see, YayPricing provides some pre-built templates here. You can choose the one that suits your needs. I'm going to create a new one for my own campaign. Let's see, the promotion will be 3-hour Flash Friday sale on Modern Lamps category. Choose a 30% discount as your rule type. Now, slide to the Settings tab. This is where the WooCommerce Sale Price Schedule feature of YayPricing kicks in. Enable the Schedule feature. Pick your start date and end date using the pop-up calendar. YayPricing allows you to schedule sales down to the exact hour and minute. I want to make the promotion every Friday in September, so I'm going to set recurring weekly sales. Once your WooCommerce schedule sale is set, click Save. I highly recommend previewing your product page to confirm that the sale badge and countdown look right. So, move forward to the WooCommerce store to check it. And that's how you set up a WooCommerce sales schedule with YayPricing, complete with a WooCommerce sales schedule time for precision control. Yeah, want to make your sale even more irresistible? Add a countdown timer so customers can literally see time running out. Using the Brandy theme, you can easily drop in a countdown block on your shop pages. That ticking clock adds urgency and can seriously boost conversions. Yeah, add a Brandy blocks. Here you can change color, customize styling, spacing, and design of the countdown block. No more staying up late to start your sale. No more waking up early to end it. Just set it, forget it, and let YayPricing do the heavy lifting. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more WooCommerce tips, and let me know in the comments what sale you'll be scheduling next. Happy selling, and may your next scheduled sale be your most profitable one.